Jiangsu Nanyang Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited is a professional enterprise with a history of 40 years in research and development and manufacturing tube mill line and rollers, as well as rolling mills. Covering area of 86,700 square meters, registered capital of 25 million yuan, and fixed asset of 85 million yuan. In the past of 40 years, Nanyang, in accordance with the management idea of honesty and trustworthiness, and by virtue of advanced design idea and production technology, developed from a little-known village hardware factory to advanced national-level high-tech enterprise in processing of parts and components, as well as complete equipment manufacturing, one step at a time. The company, with annual sales of 250 yuan and foreign exchange of more than $10 million through exports, has been honorably titled as famous brand in Jiangsu. The company put technological innovation in the first place, sticks to industry university research coordinated development, and lays emphasis on further education of scientific and technological personnel. After 40 years of development, the company is on a group of experienced and skilled scientific research team and production units who provide strong support for research and development, as well as production of all kinds of products in the company. Professional equipment and productivity. In recent years, the company has successfully bought in floor-type boring and milling machine, 12M double housing planer and CNC machine center, have more than 250 sets of NC boring machines, lathes, and milling machines, which ensure stability of product quality and accuracy of dimension at the same time, enable parts of the same type with interchangeability. All accessories like bearing and oil seal adopt the bearing imported from Japan, which effectively ensure accuracy and service life of the product. In addition, advanced vacuum quenching furnace and machine technology of heat treatment ensure superior performance of all kinds of rollers. First-class machining equipment builds top-rank products. The company has high-speed, precise, and NC rolling production line for complex plastic profiles, and all products are divided into 3 series and more than 100 models. The first series is the high-speed, precise, and full automatic welded pipe processing production line. Production line consists of uncoiler, shear welder, accumulator, forming, welding, sizing machine, high-speed cold cutting flying saw machine, tube dropping device. Control system use computer programmable automatic controller to realize the intellectualization and best quality of production line. The welded pipe processing unit mainly includes 3 types of products, including high-frequency longitudinal welded pipe unit, composite welded pipe unit, and special high-accuracy welded pipe unit. The pipe diameter and wall thickness scope of product processed by high-frequency longitudinal welded pipe unit is 7.6 mm to 273 mm and 0.15 mm to 12.7 mm. Welded pipe with ultra-thin wall, radiator pipe in the power station, and other kinds of special pipes are all workable. What can be processed by composite welded pipe unit is composite welded pipes, such as stainless steel and carbon steel composite pipe, copper aluminum composite pipe, as well as non-metallic pipe and carbon steel pipe. For special high-accuracy welded pipe unit, welded pipes of high-intensity carbon steel, non-ferrous metals, and steel plastic are within its processing range. The production line have the following characteristics. The first one is high accuracy. Welded pipe processed in the production line is high straightness, high roundness, and high cut-to-length accuracy. By adopting the technology of cold cutting flying saw with the invention patent, high-speed online cut-to-length and cutting is achieved. In addition, the cut is burr-free by adopting the mill cutting, and no secondary processing shall be necessary for the welded pipe end. The second one is its widely processing range. Processing in the production line can not only cover welded pipes made up of common materials, but also cover all kinds of special steel pipe, such as titanium-clad stainless steel pipe, as well as various kinds of composite welded pipes. And apart from welded pipes with general diameter, all kinds of welded pipes with small diameter, large diameter, and thin wall, as well as complex special pipes, are all within its processing range. The third one is high degree of intelligentization. The production line has, by adopting the quick change mode system, achieved intelligent control of the whole production line, and at the same time ensures the stability of processing quality and production efficiency. The second series is the full of automatic and high-speed processing and rolling production line for profiles. It can realize high accuracy and high-speed punching online, while use high-speed punching so to cut open profile with high production speed that can reach greater than 40 meters per minute to produce more than 25 pieces profile per minute. The production line have the advantages of high automatization, flexible and easy operation, and high accuracy. It is used for rolling strip steel into all kinds of profiles with holes or grooves. Being able to achieve high accuracy, high speed, and automatic process production, its technological level has reached the domestic leading position, and the products can replace the imported ones. The third series refers to all kinds of rollers matched with high-frequency welded pipe unit. Advanced international processing technology and unique technology of heat treatment enable the roller produced with the advantages of high accuracy and high abrasive resistance, with a service life of 50% longer than traditional product. The company has established the quality tracing system for every product leaving the factory for use, as well as its parts and components. The origin of the materials used and the material condition can be traced in first time. The company has passed the ISO 9001 International Quality System certification and the EUCE certification by virtue of the quality policy of striving for excellence. More than 50% domestic customers buy tube mill line from our company, and we also sell machines to foreign countries such as South Korea, Vietnam, Thailand, Indonesia, Pakistan, Jordan, Saudi Arabia in Asia, Egypt, South Africa, and Nigeria in Asia, Poland, France, Hungary, Portugal, and Russia in Europe, Argentina, Peru, Brazil, and Venezuela in South America, as well as America, Mexico. To overcome the difficulties and the obstacles, Nanyang people will be fearless and high-hearted, full of pride and enthusiasm. We will, by virtue of the special hard-working quality of Nanyang people, the working style of down-to-earth effort, as well as the management principle of people first, from technology leading to comprehensive leading, from one-step leading to always leading, to create a brighter and more brilliant future with the domestic and abroad cooperative partners.